run Taste Buds here at Liberty Lake Day Camp. Taste Buds is a very relaxing elective that teaches you culinary skills while also getting to experience eating something that maybe you've never had before. Each week we have a theme where we execute recipes surrounded by that. So this week is Sandwich Week, so you'll see the kids making all different types of sandwiches. Well, a lot of people ask me if I'm a chef, but I'm not a chef. I am a third grade teacher who just really loves cooking. So I'm able to take my hobby and what I love about teaching to combine them both to do the summer camp experience here. We are always full here at Taste Buds because they work up such an appetite doing all these electives that this is a perfect one to kind of settle in and relax, and also you get to eat. So it's kind of everything. It's like a chill spot, but it's also that they get to eat. They love that, and they do love to cook. So we have our morning meeting at arrival, and then I come down and I prep. So especially when we're baking, I need to get ahead of myself so that the first group of children can eat something. So if a cupcake needs to be cooled or whatever, I make a batch and then they make theirs, and then we go on a rotation so I don't get too behind. We have all the tools that we need here to be successful, absolutely. So it is nice that we have a really nice oven, the fridge is huge, and then the setup in general is really nice. The best thing about Taste Buds here at Liberty Lake is how excited the kids are to come down here. So even when it is super hot or you're feeling like you're dragging, they're so excited to come and ask you what we're making today, and they're so excited to share it with their friends or their counselors. So the kids are really the best part in their excitement about what we're gonna make for the day. We're always introducing new foods, and even if it ends up not being their favorite, we just encourage them to try. And when there's so many peers around them that are willing to try or saying that something's delicious, it's a little more easier to get them to take the plunge and try something maybe that they've never had before. Come on down to Taste Buds because we really love Liberty Lake Day Camp.